In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find which files are taking up your storage in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, we need to access Google Drive. So open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're already logged into your Google account, you should be taken directly to your drive. If not, make sure to log in before continuing. Now that you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your navigation area, and you should see an option that says Storage. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a view that organizes your files based on the amount of storage they're using. Once you're in the storage view, you'll notice a Storage Used header at the top of your list of files. There's a little arrow next to it. When you click that arrow, it will sort your files from largest to smallest. This is an incredibly handy feature because it allows you to quickly identify which files are consuming the most space. Now, look at the top of that list. Here, you'll find the largest files in your Google Drive. It's time to review these because there might be high-capacity files you no longer need. Think about old videos you've downloaded, large backups from devices, or even duplicate versions of projects you've been working on. It's easy to forget about these files, especially if you've been using Google Drive for a while. Once you've identified the files that you no longer need, it's time to delete them. To do this, simply click on the checkbox next to each file you want to remove. After selecting those files, you'll notice a trash can icon or a delete button at the top of the page. Click on that to move the selected files to your trash. But here's an important tip. Keep in mind that your files aren't permanently deleted just yet. They'll stay in your trash until you make a manual effort to empty it. So, to fully reclaim that storage space you so desperately need, you'll want to go to your trash folder and permanently delete those items. This is a crucial step in ensuring that the space is actually freed up. And there you have it. You've successfully found the files taking up storage in your Google Drive and made room for more. Remember, keeping your drive organized can not only help you save space, but also make it easier to find the files you really need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy decluttering in your Google Drive.